Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we will be learning about the strings in Python. So first of all, what is a string? So a string is a series of characters. That's it. And this is not like necessarily bound to Python. A string is a series of character in most of the languages. So yeah. So now how we can write a string and how we can declare a string. Suppose we have a variable which is called message and we can write the double quotes or the single quotes. You can write both, but I will show you when the double quotes and the single quotes are helpful. So I am using the single quotes for now, and I can write here hello. So this hello is a series of characters and this is a string. Okay, so now how we can verify that? This we can verify by using a built-in Python method which is called type. So we can print the type of the message and we can save that, and then if we run the code, and as you can see we are running the code and we have the class and then string. So please ignore the class part right now because like in Python everything is an object, and we will like go through the classes and the object in a bit more detail in the later part of the course. So now but we have the str which stands for string, so this message is a string. Okay, now what we can do, we can do some of the things with this. So again we can declare another one which is called message uh, underscore 2, and we can declare it hi again, something like that. Okay, now this is another one, and now I am using the double quotes instead of the single quotes. So you can use both of them, but now what I can do, I can declare another variable called message underscore 3, and I can write something like that, like uh, I am using the single quotes right now. He is a very good boy, and then okay, I'm closing that as well. So this is our starting one and this is our ending one, and this is the apostrophe. Now the problem is the Python do not understand that, like, and Python thinks okay this is the starting string, like the starting quote, and then this single quote is the ending single quote, and after that Python do not understand anything which we have written, and my editor isn't happy with me at all. So now if this type of situation arises, then what you can do, you can do just the simple thing. You can just replace the first single quote with the double quotes, and then the last one as well with the double quotes, and my editor is now happy now. So yeah, now if we run this, like print this, then what will happen? Let's print, and then message 3, and if we run this program, like hey, he is a very good boy. So this is being printed. Again we can have some other type of situation, something like message underscore 4, like my variable names are terrible. Sorry for that. Now if we do the double quotes and then we write he said, and then again we are using the double quotes, he is a good boy, or like something like that, or he likes to eat like, what do I say, like rice. Okay, uh, anything. But now we have another problem. Like now Python thinks, okay, this is the first double quote, and then this is the ending double quote, and inside that we have the valid string, which is correct. But then Python do not know what is this after the ending double quotes. Although we have the double quotes, but Python do not know about that, right? So to fix that, we can use just the single quotes for the first one and for the last one, something like that. And now my editor is happy again. And now if I do print message underscore 4, and we can just simply run that. Yeah, so he is a very good boy with the apostrophe, and then he said he likes to eat rice. So everything is working fine. Now I will show you some other thing, like some other way to declare a string. Suppose you have a big like paragraph, and you want to write something like that. So paragraph equals to, then you want to write, I am doing just the double quotes, like message 1, and then in the next line message 2, and in the next line message 3, something like that. Please do not confuse with this like the variable names. I am just doing some random things. But what we need to do is, first of all, in the first line we want to print out the message 1, and the second line we want to print out the message 2, and in the third line we want to print out the message 3. So now, as you can see already, Python isn't happy, my editor isn't happy with this approach. To fix that, what we can do, we can use triple double quotes or triple single quotes. So now how to choose? If your paragraph has some like the single quotes or the apostrophes inside it, then you should use the triple double quotes. Or if the paragraph has some double quotes inside it, then you should use triple single quotes. So here we do not have anything, so I am using like the double quotes here, double quotes, but you can use the triple single quotes as well. So if I comment this to print messages, and then I print the paragraph, and then if I run the program, as we can see, we have in the first line message 1, then message 2, and then message 3. Awesome. So these are the couple of ways how you can declare a string. Okay, so I think for this video we have done a lot, and in the next video what we will do, we will go through some of the uh, like the functions or some of the methods which are being available to the strings, and we will go through some of them and discuss that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and catch you guys in the next one.